Hello guys, welcome to AKS. Today in this video I'm going to do the sound test of the Intex IT Rider SUFB. It's a 4.1 home theater. It comes with the 4 speakers of 3 inches of 15 watt RMS and the subwoofer is of 6.5 inches subwoofer of 50 watt RMS. It comes with there is LED lights that there inside, and here are some switches out there. There is a display and it comes with the Bluetooth, which is a very good option. So I'm going to play some songs, then I will tell you how the sound quality is and how's the bass. Guys, as you heard, the sound quality coming out from the speakers are very good. And the bass is heavy. It's a 6.5 inches woofer which is generating heavy bass. The bass is very thumping and the clarity is the sound coming from the speakers. The clarity, the loudness is very good. I compared it with many of my home theaters, but the sound of this home theater, the bass is very good, man. It comes under rupees 5,000. So if you want a home theater, which is it doesn't matter is it 4.1 or 5.1. If you want a home theater, you can check this one also. And the main thing of this home theater is that the bass is not getting messed up with the speakers. The sound is very clear and the bass is also clear. Actually, I put the treble at 2. Okay, the maximum is 6. You can put it on 6 also, but 2 or 3 is very good if you want to listen the bass, heavy bass. If you want to play it for the heavy bass songs, then put a treble at 2 or 3, and the bass is at high. So guys, this is my sound test of Intex IT Rider SUFB. Hope you guys have liked my video. If you like my video, you can like it, share it, or comment it. Thank you guys for watching. Jai Mata Di.